Hello friends, today I have with me a new video on optical fibers. First let's answer the question, what is an optical fiber? An optical fiber is a flexible, transparent fiber which is made by drawing glass or plastic to a diameter slightly thicker than that of a human hair. Optical fibers are used most often as a means to transmit light between the two ends of the fiber and find wide uses in fiber optic communications where they permit transmission over long distances and at higher bandwidths than electrical cables. Fibers are used instead of metal wires because signals travel along them with less loss. In addition, fibers are immune to electromagnetic interference, a problem from which metal wires suffer. Fibers are also used for illumination and imaging and are often wrapped in bundles, so they may be used to carry light into or images out of confined spaces, or as in case of a fiberscope. Specially designed fibers are also used for a variety of other applications. Now let's understand the structure of optical fiber. Optical fibers typically include a core surrounded by a transparent cladding material with a lower index of diffraction. Light is kept in the core by the phenomenon of total internal reflection, which causes the fiber to act as a waveguide. Fibers that support many propagation paths or transverse modes are called multi-mode fibers. Multi-mode fibers generally have a wider core diameter and are used for short distance communication links and for applications where high power must be transmitted. Optic fibers that support a single mode are called single-mode fibers. Single-mode fibers are used for most communication links which are longer than 1000 meters, that is 3300 feet. Now let's talk about some of the uses of optic fibers. These are widely used in communication. These are used as a medium for telecommunication and computer networking because it is flexible and can be bundled as cables. It is especially advantageous for long-distance communications because infrared light propagates through the fiber with much lower attenuation compared to electricity in electrical cables. This allows long distances to be spanned with few repeaters. These fibers are also used as sensors. Fibers have many uses in remote sensing. In some applications, the sensor is itself an optical fiber. Fibers are used to channel radiation to a sensor where it is measured. In other cases, fiber is used to connect a sensor to a measurement system. Optical fibers can be used as sensors to measure strain, temperature, pressure, and other quantities by modifying a fiber so that the property being measured modulates the intensity, phase, polarization, wavelength, or transit time of light in the fiber. Sensors that vary the intensity of light are the simplest since only a simple source and detector are required. These fibers are also used for power transmission. Optical fibers can be used to transmit power using a photovoltaic cell to convert the light into electricity. While this method of power transmission is not as efficient as conventional ones, it is especially useful in situations where it is desirable not to have a metallic conductor, as in the case of use near MRI machines, which produce strong magnetic fields. Other examples are for powering electronics in high-powered antenna elements and measurement devices used in high-voltage transmission equipment. Optical fibers are also used as light guides in medical and other applications where bright light needs to be shown on a target without a clear line of sight path. Many microscopes use fiber optic light sources to provide intense illumination of samples being studied. Optical fiber is also used in imaging optics. A coherent bundle of fibers is used, sometimes along with lenses, for a long, thin imaging device called an endoscope, which is used to view objects through a small hole. Medical endoscopes are used for minimally invasive exploratory or surgical procedures. Industrial endoscopes are used for inspecting anything hard to reach, such as jet engine interiors. Optical fibers are also used very commonly for decorative purposes in homes. Optical fiber technology has been used in many areas of telecommunication, photonics, medical and engineering. It has attracted many researchers due to its performance, low loss, no interference, high bandwidth, and its inherently high data carrying capacity. These optical fibers are really a revolution in the field of science. Thanks for watching.